Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Eloquent English Enterprise. I'm back today with a little addition to the previous video, which I had presented on phrasal verbs. So today we are going to discuss a few more examples of phrasal verbs that we use in our daily conversations. So without taking much of your time, I'm going to present my screen. And here we are. So we are going to discuss a few commonly used phrasal verbs, right? So the first one is call off, which means cancel. The meeting for tonight or in the evening has been called off. Get away. Get away means escape. Shivaji managed to get away from the prison of Aurangzeb. Find out. This means discover. I found out a little nest on the branch of a tree just next to my window. It had a few little eggs also in it. Chip in means to help. Can you chip in a bit to help the orphans in our city? Give up. Give up means to quit. The athlete gave up the race when he fell and injured his knee. Calm down. Relax. I guess you need to calm down after a hectic day. Hang on. Wait. Hang on. A taxi will surely come our way. Go on. Continue. Let's go on with the experiment. We are bound to find success very soon. Close down. Discontinue. The old cinema hall across the road has been closed down because there were hardly any few audience who came or viewers. Hand over, to give something. The principal handed over a certificate of appreciation to her staff member. To bring up, to raise a topic or to raise a child. Mr. and Mrs. Sharma raised their grandchild with a lot of care and love. Or to bring up a topic, she brought up a topic in the class for discussion. Work out, simple, we all know, is exercise. He needs to work out to keep himself fit and healthy. Look for, search. Let's look for the meaning of this word in the dictionary. Turn down, reject. My application for another phone connection has been turned down by the telecom office for some reason. Get over, to recover. I hope you get over from your viral fever very soon. I hope you recover. So that was all for today. There are many more examples, but these are the ones which I found quickly. So till we get back with something more interesting, it's me signing off for today. I hope you liked the little short video presentation. And if you did, I'll wait for a few likes and shares also. Any new subscribers are always welcome. To the new ones, a very warm welcome, the ones who joined last 1 week. So thank you. I'll be back very soon with something really interesting. I'm working on that. So till I'm back, it's me saying goodbye. Take care.